there should be a little flat or a little bit joining those two. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on Chloe's little Corsa D, little 1.2 to 2009. We've just done some servicing work on this and found a very common issue with these when we changed the cabin filter. Basically, cabin filter cover is that black thing there, runs all the way up there, and if you look up top, it's supposed to be held up there, but it's not. The little lug has broken off the top of the cover, and I'll show you what I mean. It's supposed to be go in behind that little white lug that sticks up, and on the cover there should be a piece across those two, and it's broke off, and it always happens on these. We got it out, you can see it a bit better now, and you might say just replace it. Well, you can replace it. You can get them brand new, and I think they're about 25 or 30 pounds, but they're exactly the same design and they break. So I'm going to try and see if I can fix this with a paper clip and maybe a little screw. So I'm going to have a fiddle round and we'll see what we can do.
Okay, so here we are on the bench. Just drilled a hole, not in the middle, and trial fitted the little self-tapping screw. I do apologise for the mess on my workbench. I'm doing other stuff on bikes and things at the moment, so yeah, sorry about that. Anyway, got my paper clip and I'm just bending it around, trying to make it fit where the screw hole goes and around the top where the lug's broken off. In the background you can hear my phone going off all the time. I can't remember why, but yes, it is annoying. Anyway, so here it is together, and here's a quick view after an adjustment of what it looks like at the end.
There we go. Well, I didn't drill the screw in the middle. I wish I was for a reason, but it's not. I just didn't drill it in the middle. So let's go and see if it fits. Right, we're back in here. Now, I'm really sorry about how this might work out. You're going to be rattling and everything because I can't really see what I'm doing with the camera in a way, but got a little thing in there. And, oh, how about that? Sorted. Well, there it is, fixed. Proper job. Hopefully it will demist better and do stuff it's supposed to do, I guess. There we go. Right, nice easy fix, little self tapper and a paper clip. Yeah. Have a go. Anyway, if this was of some use to you, please give us a thumbs up. And, well, hopefully this will be a nice short one, if I don't waffle on too much. And I hope to see you on another video. Cheers then! Corsa's little D? Chloe's little Corsa D. I've got any outtakes. On Corsa's... I can't talk. Oh, Chloe, your car is such a mess.